foundation of the thing is there. So you need to get the thing right.
Rapid and consistent. If we turn on the change and balance, rapid and consistent from this point onwards.
Yeah.
Rapid, speed it up. Make they get the youth them speed up the change and balance within themselves first. Each man have to be the mirror, right? And the mirror you talk about.
Have to deal with the yes.
The mirror you talk
have
about.
to deal with the cell.
The loop.
Alright. The all loop have to get sorted out.
Boom. People.
So Mr. Major, we up at JCF and JDF and Mr. Commissioner, because I gonna send a message, you know, because me already send a message already and I don't get no reply. And because I send a message and I don't get any reply from the authority them where say them a run the thing, Mr. Holness and the rest of parliamentarian them. It a go be more serious than I go, because me can't send a message and
if they don't
to the department and then on the door reply. So that mean to say it's simple mean to say
the balance I go the balance I go deal with them.
Good. And the balance we are going to deal with them probably when not have no building for go enough for work with.
Okay.
Or work into.
Okay.
And that is the mission. Because here we have to know there's lava ready for run. And get rid of the storm dead ready.
So if the changes not happen, the balance is gonna have to deal with everybody who don't follow the order. The change and balance is the father of consciousness of all movements of infinite truth.
Good.
So if the change and balance is the father, them have to follow the order.
Good. And consequently, they don't want follow the order. Good. So, man, no.
And it bigger than man.
Good.
Infinitely bigger than man.
Good.
You can't keep taking these life without a cause just because you're the boss.
Make no sense. And the same money where them run, mere government, other government say, them a steal from the future for this time. Or you have to steal from the future for this time when from the past the thing set for the future and for this time now where you steal from future. So that means to say, and me hear the speech, you know, me hear the head of government, Mr. Holness say the other couple months ago, they are stealing from the future to supply for now. You can't even see the future. So me no know how comes you find way to steal from the future where you can't see. No, for supply for no. Be 100 million is like a beer talking 100 million to fix one bridge. 100 million when $1 million supposed to can fix and supply for the work and the workers them for supply for the bridge. We have one man to tell the whole world, the whole place where him depend, where him don't know where him depend. Say $100 million is going to be allocated for one piece of bridge and a one full bridge, you know. One piece of bridge, so you go account for the amount of money we want to take
from the
and
future.
Do money laundry with the money.
So you say the balance is on its way.
Rapid, you know.
And consistent.
I mean, not stop, you know. As long as me have water and food, you know. So some people are run down the money. As long as I have water and food and I can open my mouth and say give thanks to the Creator who made me and you and who is watching and obtaining this information and data for life purposes and greater purposes what we are here for. Towards the greatest purpose where the Creator make we here for. And I get breeze and say sun we now I get breeze. Now if we go do better. We can do.
This is Randy. Change and balance is the new order.
Rapid now.
It is the father. And everything you see to do, you have to follow it.
Yeah, alright.
You have to balance the thing, people, because if you don't balance it, balancing will catch you. And if balance catch you,
You
and you're
can't-
not in sync with balance,
Problem.
okay. For you, your children and your grandchildren and your great-great-grandchildren. So you can't steal from the future when the blood of your children is depending on the future. Balance. You can't do nothing and it's forget. Nothing, every move you make is documented as a leader, right?
Every leader, both leader
And
and
people.
follower and people and spouse and dog.
Has to account for the balance.
Good. Even the gungo tree
Have to account for the balance.
Good. Everything have to pay account. Me have to pay account to eat the cane because me I get something from it for talk to no. But what I do, the problem on a re-up. What a re-up problem. When you can re-up, the year just start and me I get information of the major problem them. Government see and just talk one sentence, put one full stop and say the major problem that we address it. We did address it. Yeah, we did address it, but to address it, which address you send it to? Which address you send the major problem to? Who for address you send the major problem to? Cause I can't see it and you send the message go give.
Okay.
And I can't the creator you send the major problem go give.
Okay.
Because all are we there and I don't know which one are we do contribute to a problem. So if you contribute to a problem, you're going to have to contribute with a solution. You can't just pack up problem here. Problem there before we come here.
And the only thing to solve problems is a change and a balance. It govern mathematics. It govern science.
So them need them have to and them must. It's a must, you know. You must have to follow the order. Whether me like it or not, me have to make sure say me keep myself clean as possible to follow the order. So what wrong with you? Me have good and evil running on my vein. See there, good and evil running on my vein. And every day, every night I wake up, I make sure say I do something good. I don't walk up and down and do no evil, and I can do evil. And I don't need to do evil because anything when me did do wrong, I consider it as evil. And that gone, and me must make sure say me do enough good and more good on top of the enough good, and more good to make sure say me balance up the local problem where the name evil or the name bad. So if you not help, you know, me I want and tell you, if you're not helping to contribute to this the solution where me I find in my brain and find in others.
The change and balance.
I just find solution in my brain alone, you know. Believe me, who watch me, I find solution in our brain too. And me I send it to
You
my brain
activate
too.
it to them.
Good. So it's either or either, you know, because when me send you the solution from here, so, you know,
From
to
here,
the
so.
brain, you know,
From up here, so.
for me not to see, you know, you better know you go have to pay drastic catastrophe.
Goosebump the fire. Balance up. You give it to them. This is 2025, what them say. And we're on top of Mount Zion. The man is Matthew. And me tried a long time. This is rapid and consistent. Can want to put the change and balance in the system. Speed it up.
Speed it up, man. Go up to the drunk. I'm gonna go and stop this all my drunk of them too. I'm not warning you. I'm gonna stop this all my burn them too.
And them clean up the place.
Shoot them off too. Because I'm warning already. But the next time we're gonna go have serious problem. Because guess what? The bird them I do for them work. How comes you find shot? Enough mosquito and fly there. And grass lice. If you don't want something for kill JCF and JD, if you don't want something for kill, on the pack on a gun and go kill mosquito and fly and grass lice. And we not depend no joking thing around here because you cannot shoot off my bird them where I balance the place. You not balance the place, but you not shoot off where I balance. That means to say you put yourself in an unbalanced situation, and therefore you shall get an unbalanced result of the unbalanced situation and category where you put yourself into. Alright.
Alright. Seal.
Seal is seal.
Alright. time.
No, we have to do too much talking on the thing. We have to talk.
Seal.